My friends and I kayaked the Green River in Chicago, and things got a little wild. I got attacked by a shark, someone spit on our group, I talked to the police, explored an underground tunnel, and Donald tried to rescue a girl's phone that fell into the river. We got the boys, we got the kayaks. We're going to Chicago for the river dive. Dude, this is great. Let's see your flag, Garrett.
Anyway, first you're last.
You ain't first, shake and bake, baby.
Shake and bake.
Alright, what do you got? We are at the Love's truck stop. I don't think you can tell how big this is on the camera. Put my hand next to it. Can you get a scale size there?
I'm a happy man.
Blaze, Donald, Danny pulled into the wrong stop. Like, I did the same thing 15 minutes ago. Over there. You gotta go around. Donald, Danny.
Oh my, bro,
Okay.
what are you It's a little.
Yeah, get some face paint on for the river.
So how does?
Ooh, dude, that's greener than I thought it would be.
Colangelo.
All right, let's see it.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna look pretty good.
Dude, I look like the Hulk. Are you getting a shamrock? Nice. Got the Braveheart.
Heck yeah.
It's badass. You gotta
Get a good angle.
Oh yeah, and make sure you get.
Yep, I got a good angle.
Yeah!
Hey Matt, can we take a stop at the casino real quick?
And then you can kind of hold it for a second, and then flip over and do a double.
Yep, we gotta find parking in Chinatown, and we're gonna get on the river. A lot of people today. We've got like 7 kayaks right there, and we got 10 people, so it's time to find parking. They're unloading over there. Just gonna carry it?
Where are you parking?
Alright, you're not gonna drive it through? That's the boys. And we are about to launch on the river and head to downtown Chicago. I get these bad boys loaded in the water. Be a great time. Free beer, free swag.
Dude, we can't go back. We can't go back. Our exit has been blocked. The coast is clear.
You can't even get away from the jet skis in downtown Chicago, man. Oh, look.
Good to be back.
It just feels great to be back. What is this, our 3rd year? One thing that's really cool is when you're out here on the river, the Chicago water taxi will pass you by multiple times, just going up and down the river all day. If you look up here, you can see there's this giant drawbridge. It's got some weight on the back of it. We're getting closer to downtown, Matt and I. We are about to get absolute celebrity treatment for no reason. Is it right there? What is it?
It's my cell phone!
It's what?
My cell phone!
We're gonna have to help him, aren't we? All right.
And then I can go to those stairs.
Is it on here, or is it up there?
No, it's right there on the
Like, right here? Okay. All right, let's see what we can do. Donald, I can stabilize your kayak.
You want me to climb up and get it?
I can do it.
I can do it.
All right.
Here. Just hold my kayak.
Yeah, hold on. Grab me. I gotta come back a little bit. I wanna... Here.
I'm gonna take a selfie. Where's the camera?
It's the red one. It's a Samsung. There you go.
Okay. Whose is it?
Just throw
Who wants it?
It's hers.
You ready?
It's mine.
You ready? Check it out! Woo! There it is! Woo!
Want some Rolling Rock? All right. There she gets it. Going over the other side. Ask the leprechauns if the river is open yet.
I think he's trying to get them to recruit him.
Blaze got spit on, so did Grace. But the guy, I go under the bridge and I said, hey, I recorded that and I'm gonna upload it to the Chicago Police Department. And he backed up. And then his buddy came in, he's like, hey, are you wearing green face paint? I'm like, yeah, I am. And then he just didn't do anything. But I got his face on camera. So I'm gonna upload it to Facebook. You know, one of those. I didn't get the spitting. Hey, I'm gonna turn this in to the Chicago Police Department. You just assaulted a woman. I have your face on camera.
Oh, I didn't do anything either because what was I gonna do? I would just look stupid if I started like
Just sit down in a kayak. When you went under the bridge, did you get spit on?
No, some lady asked me if I leprechaun.
If you hung out with a leprechaun? Never, no more. No more. It wouldn't be a proper celebration. Irishman not smoking a good cigar. The boys have never been so bad. Birds of a feather flock together. We're under the river. Danny, where's your second beer?
My second beer is gone, baby.
The boys are just absolutely pulling up right now. We got more though. We got more. They're all back there. Starting to get a little brisk, but we're just chilling here while this boat docks in front of us. The first lady. We found this hat in the river last year. See your hat. Danny just found this one, so.
Matching hats, baby.
We're twinning. We just made it to the edge of the city. We are turning around to get back. Finally, we're getting out of the green section and we're starting to get into the Black River again. Kind of under one of the bridges here. There's buckets, square blocks down here. But no, there's another spot. This is I haven't been to this one yet. This bird's not gonna be happy with me. But yeah, right now, technically under the city. See what's in here. I'm going in.
Yeah, I don't know how far back this goes, but sewer system under the city. Oh man, that's crazy. This is kind of creepy. Shouldn't be back here, but looks like it ends right there, maybe? Not sure. Oh, there's a gate right there, so I can't go any further. We are done. We're out. We did it. And we're on to the next video.